All he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on the run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all
Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk to. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk to. Yeah, last year I kept it on the tough, ayy. 2020, I came to fuck it up, yeah. I want a long life, a legendary one. I want a quick death, and an easy one. I want a pretty girl, and an honest one. I want this drink, and another one, yeah. And I'm troublesome, yeah. I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubblegum, yeah. You would probably think my manager is Scooter Braun, yeah. But my manager was 20 hoes and Budokan, yeah. Hey, look, Ariana, Selena, my visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. Niggas come for me, I tear them all to pieces, my girl. I'ma show your sexy ass what relief is, my girl. Please don't take no shit that's about that how you geeking. And I'm not driving nothing that I gotta stick with keys in. Wonder how I got this way, I swear I got the bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Watch her, said she rep a whole different block, so I blocked her. Busy at the crib, cooking salmon with the lobster. If we talking joints, it's just me and David Foster. Bodyguards don't look like Kevin Costner, you tweaking. Just pulled up to Whitney, Houston, Texas for the evening. They tell the same story so much they start to believe it. The ones that start like Drizzy shit was cool, but we even. Man, how the fuck? 2, 4, 6, 8 watches factory so they appreciate. Crown in my hand and I'm really playing keep away. Shit don't even usually get this big without a beaver face. Nah, piece of cake. Nah, Turks and cake. Yeah. Go and get your friends, we can sneak away. Yeah, I keep a like I keep the faith. Wonder how I got this way.
chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, I'm stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, bitch I'm paid, that's all I gotta say. Can't see you little niggas, the money in the way, and I'm sitting high against the ride blaze. And if you ain't gon' ride fly, then you might as well hate. Shit, I gotta eat, yeah, even though I ain't know it ain't my birthday, but I got my name on that cake. Shit, believe that, and if the mans won't play, and I'ma fuck around and put the ball braids on the gate. Hey, pick them up, pop them, let them lay. Where I'm from, we see them fucking dead body every day. Yeah, up and down, throwing stack at them, make a song about me, I'm throwing shots back at them. Bitch, I'm a pipe, she like a crack addict. And she saw me cooking eggs, she thought I was back at it. Yeah, I grabbed my keys, oh I gotta go. Got my motorcycle jacket and my motorcycle low. On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, hitting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, I'm stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yo,
She moved out of state, she doing left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, Shawty is throwing the chick. Shawty is throwing the chick, me I'm supporting the shit. This is a story, it came from my life and I'm just recording the shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important and shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to be pornos when you would come over, but now you got Mars and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you run me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, she went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for ISEE hair, and it's been a minute since I've done a review for them. But before I begin saying anything, I want to say that they have some of the best curly hair. I love ISEE hair, especially getting curly units from them. They're definitely like my go-to when it comes to curly units. If you guys are looking for good quality curly hair, they are definitely the ones. Now I've heard some people say some negative things online, but I think that's more so about the way that they take care of the hair, because let's face it, a lot of people don't know how to care for curly hair. They don't know what to do. They feel like since it's curly, I don't have to do anything to it. They're not conditioning it, they're not detangling the hair, they're not doing anything to the hair other than putting it on and putting water on it. Curly hair requires maintenance, and if you don't know how to care for curly hair, then it doesn't matter what company you get the hair from. Okay, so let's start there. But I will say, out of my experience from the very first time that I've ever done a review for them, and I've reviewed hair for them, I want to say the first time I reviewed some hair for them had to been at least 2 to 3 years ago. Okay, and every single time I have gotten A1 products from them, so I really do like ISEE hair. I would highly recommend them for curly units. One of the other things that I really like about their company is that they really care for their products. They really put a lot of love into their company. You can see it in the packaging, you can see it in the quality of the hair. The customer service is great as well, and I love all of the free goodies that I got today in today's unit. I mean, they gave us a bonnet, they gave gave us a scrunchie. They gave us a 6-pack of eyelashes. I think it was like 6 pairs of eyelashes or something like that. It was like so many good gems in there. They even provided like the elastic band, everything that you need for your hair they provided in the packaging. So I really like that. They give you good quality packaging, so that's always a plus outside of just like the hair. And yeah, today we just have a simple flip over, nothing too crazy. It's not really a side part because it only have a part. I just kind of took this hair and just like swooped it over here. I didn't want to wear it in the middle part. I know that it came in the middle part and the middle part is great, but I feel like I always do a middle part, and you know, middle parts just get kind of boring. I would save a middle part for like a closure unit. If I'm gonna wear a middle part, I'd rather wait till I have a closure unit. But if I have a frontal, you know, I just wanted to be more natural, you know, looking, and just do a flip over. This is what the lace is giving. The lace is definitely giving melted. I mean, look like all right here, like where there's no baby hairs. Like, it's just really nice. So I really like the lace in this unit. You guys can see that it's still wet. I don't have any product on it, but I did just wet the hair. You know, down here you can get more of the natural wave pattern to the hair, because I haven't like put my fingers through this hair, but at the top I definitely like kind of undid the pattern a little bit by running my fingers through it, which is why I really don't like doing that. This is what we're giving though, a very natural look. The lace in this unit is absolutely amazing. It is amazing. I love it. I love it. Now, as far as customizing, I did customize this unit. I did bleach the knots in this unit, and I also plucked the hairline as well. But I plucked the hairline like very, very little, because this unit was actually already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do a lot of work, especially after I like bleached the knots. Like, I really didn't have to pluck it. So yeah, outside of this gorgeous curl pattern, I really do like the lace in this unit. It's definitely giving HD lace. So if you want a unit that's very natural looking, that you don't have to add baby hairs in, you're definitely gonna like this one. I did add the baby hairs in it only because when I took my elastic band off, it took some of my makeup off on certain portions of my hair, and it was just like obvious where, you know, the makeup was off. So that's the reason why I put the baby hairs here. But at first I wasn't even gonna do it. At first I was just gonna leave it natural and just let all of it kind of just like flow over. You know, I just wanted like a very wild like flip over. I didn't want it to be like so uniform, you know, but you know, this is what we ended up coming up with. So as far as like the specs on this hair, I don't know how long this hair is. I want to say maybe it's about like a 22, I don't think it's like a 24. It seems a little short to be a 24, but you know, they usually go by like the stretch length. Stretching it out, it goes like down to here, but I feel like this is probably about like a 22 inch. It's not very long at all. Now we faking a bob real quick. Like, this will be cute as a bob. Like, y'all see the vibes? Like, this will be so cute. It gives it just like, let me come closer. Like, it just gives it a whole nother look. I should have cut it into a bob, girl. I don't know. Because I feel like when you order bobs that are short like that, it doesn't look like as full. But when you get longer hair and then you cut it, it's a lot more full than if you like buy a bob that's already that length. I don't know. It's just something about it. If you guys have, you know, bought units long enough, you guys know exactly what I'm saying. When they have like shorter units, they kind of like skimp you out on the hair. But when you get longer units, you definitely get a more fuller look. Those are my thoughts though today on ISEE hair, you guys. I really do enjoy this unit. I think it's a gorgeous unit, and it's perfect for all year round, whether it's spring, summer, winter, fall, it doesn't matter, you guys can rock this unit all year round. And it's shorter, so it's not like as hot as like a longer unit would be. And the curls in this unit are gorgeous. I feel like I have to like pull this hair out the way so y'all can see, like, look how pretty. Like, the curls are so gorgeous. And right now, you know, the top half is just like annoying because I've been like running my fingers through it, and then now it's just like a big old afro mess. So there's that. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. If you did, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous curly unit. And of course, I thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there for showing me so much love and support. I really do appreciate every last one of you, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.